Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to clean some space on your CapCut application by deleting several projects that we don't edit it anymore. So first thing we're gonna do is just go into the CapCut applications, just click it, and then we are generated into the first page. And now we just need to stay in this page, don't go anywhere. To clean up several projects that we don't edit anymore later or next time, we just need to click the pencil button over here, and now we can choose which project that we want to delete. We can choose as much as we want. Just make sure that the project you will not gonna do edit anymore. Now just scroll and choose as much as you want the project that you want to delete. And for me, I want to delete this too. Okay, so after we finish choosing the project that we want to delete, we just need to click this button down here and confirm that we want to delete it, and delete. Now the project is already deleted. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.